wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best vehicle ramps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Unlike a traditional vehicle ramp, a Camco 44573 tri-leveler is only designed to raise something a few inches off the ground, as its primary purpose is to stabilize a trailer or RV while parked on uneven ground, not to provide undercarriage access. It comes with a convenient built-in handle at a very low price. However, it has a relatively low weight capacity. At number 9, if you own or regularly use a trailer, you know they blow a lot of tires. The Trailer Aid 21 is a safe, sturdy and easy way to quickly change a flat, as it elevates the damaged tire using an intact one as the support point. There's no need to unload your trailer to use it, and it comes in a highly visible yellow color, but note that it's not for leaf spring tandem axles. Coming in at number 8 on our list, made of high-impact plastic, the Black Widow PSR 295 can stand up to just about any abuse you throw at them, and can support 16,000 pounds to boot. Their internal bracing structure makes this pair one of the strongest on the market. You can fill the inner cavities with foam, and their rubber feet prevent them slipping. However, they do emit a foul odor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you get a gentle, gradual lift with the Race Ramps RRXT2, as they're 67 inches long and positioned at a 10-degree angle. Each set can hold 3,000 pounds, yet they're very lightweight and easy to move, thanks to the fact that they're made of dense polyurethane-coated foam. It's easy to drive onto them slowly, and they work even on gravel, but they are extremely expensive. Moving up our list to number 6. The OTC 5269 are designed to be used with vehicles as heavy as tractor-trailers, and their construction reflects it. A mounted truck will rest on 4 tubular columns that are capable of safely holding loads of up to 20 tons. They come with a retractable T-handle and non-skid rubber matting. However, they're too large for small cars. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Nicky Nice 612944 are reasonably priced and punched with extruded holes across their slopes, giving your car's tires some traction. They're an attractive alternative to the typical plastic models you see in most garages. They feature a durable powder-coated finish and are good for small pickups. They're also helpful for lawn tractor maintenance. At number 4, the Tomioka Racing Super Slopes are a great way to get enough space to slide a jack under a lowered car without damaging the side skirts. At only £5 each, you can carry them around in the trunk in the event you get a flat while on the road. They provide over 2 inches of lift and fit most low-profile tires. They come with a convenient wheel stop. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Race Ramps RRRU are among the most dependable on the market. They won't slide around while you're trying to drive up on them, even if you're working on a slick surface. They're a smart choice for anyone who usually works alone. These are small enough to carry in your trunk and won't mark floors. They can be used with up to 12-inch tires. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the rhinogear 11909 rhinoramps allow for the safe support of a vehicle weighing up to 12,000 pounds, which means almost any truck in your fleet can safely roll right up on these. They'll accommodate tires up to 9 inches wide and come in a larger size too. They're good value for price, and their non-skid base helps prevent slippage. They nest together for easy storage. And taking the top spot on our list, the Race Ramps RR56 are a must-have for anyone with a low-slung, high-performance or vintage vehicle. Their long, gentle grade allows them to be used safely even with a car that sits very close to the ground, and they can be taken with you wherever you go. They're a solid core construction and won't damage floors. They include transport straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video.